The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, autonomous braking, leather trim seats, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, fog lights, compass, audio, internet radio, Pandora, heated steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.